Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
Kumba Rakhe malausnam yakasngi burom kinuhikai. Yakabala Rakhe hakasantarik unailur, kabaderu kasngi kha ju ukraw perkhat kari. Ubaderu Presiden Barim kari India, Dr. Sarvepalli Radha Krishnan, ka office jung ka District School Education Officer. Barka Sub Divisional School Education Officer. Menta kasngi nangkong hapdeng ka jing ipu iping. Kila Rakhe kasngi burom kinuhikai. Kabahan Ri-Bhoi ha District Library hanongpo. Ban ai ka jingaro ya kinuhikai. Halor usanyang uban hei ban kentiu yaki samla pule bat ka jingnang jistat khamtam ban penwandur yaki samla pule ha kate ka jingalang lawan ban simenta daw ba meral bons ubade UMLA kanongpo kumukongsan ha ka jingdan lang uba sustenance sotun ubade UMLA ka jirang baru ba judge bilang do kum ki sambut kongsan ha ka jingdan lang ka kong VA hanyuta EDC kong paidolin el nonglight DSEO bat kiwe kirirang ba bat ka officer rengkat ki khanak school bat kinuhikai. Hakate ke jing Rakhe la samru yaki kusnam. Cekino hikai haka district kibala syajit halor usanyang. Baiklano syakapule puthi. Bat khamtam berkentiu yaka jingnang jingstat. Bagentup yaka kong jiyaw pnyau. Napdeng kino hikai lower primary school. Kabaderu ka head teacher jung ka St. Peter's RCLP school nong seder. Kakong N. Violinda Syabong. Kabala syajit haka kerdan upper primary school. Kabade kano hikai jung ka RBP higher secondary school. Katbah haka secondary level. Layo da kabahun si challenge score kabadai ka assistant teacher jungka Nehru Memorial Secondary School Umsning. La samru ika kusnam best scout master. Balayo da UKJ Pitar ubadai assistant teacher jungka Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Bernihat. But best guide captain balayo da karasna karwan lang kabadai ka assistant teacher jungka Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Bernihat. Nalor kita kinuhikai nakaliang ka office DSEO but SDSEO kala samru iki kusnam syaki samla pule kiblawanra akan nambat burom yaka district bakentup yaka samla lanyo kerpang nongrum kabalayo haka kerdan kabapra jongka top 20 haka examen SSLC sohan tapa ubalayo yaka kerdan bakatsan haka SSLC naka school New Era Secondary School Star Shadap ubalayo haka kerdan kabakhandai jongka top 10 haka examen HSSLC lapan pupen pingru haka teka sngi daki jingruai bat kiskit lengkot balasimenta daki kanak school kum kada ke jing burom yakin hikai ibal ai ke jing syakri ke babahatam ban kentiu ka pule puthi ka akwar ke burom bat kantam banyalam yaki kana syakalawe ke bapernai.
Not only in present day world, even in the past also. The challenges for the student, for the teachers, for the department, across the department in the state, we have challenges. And we have seen that despite of all these odds, the difficulties, the grievances that we have, still we have the spirit to strive forward, to strive ahead, together, to enable us to achieve the good result for our students, especially the teachers and the parents alike. The challenges that the students are facing nowadays, it is not easy, especially during the fight with COVID-19 in the last 2 years that we have been through. There have been no proper class room, no education, no class. School has been shut down. Even the first time in our life, even the religious places has been shut down. As far as I'm concerned, it is the first time in my life that we have been through such challenges in our life. Despite of all this, we have seen our students strive forward. Today we witness through this Teachers' Day to honor the teachers who have rendered their service, to honor the students who have done well in their exam, SSLC and HSLC. And we are proud that Ri-Bhoi district has produced many good students even at the degree level. During the COVID of 2020, Ms. Tatira Kunde she scored first in education department in Navy examination. It is a proud moment for all of us. This is a collective effort by each and every one of you and all of us. We cannot forget the sacrifices made by the parents, by the teachers, and by the students, the three pillars of our society. I am what I am today is due to the teachers, due to my parents, who have brought me to where I am today.
To them because of their contributions to the society, especially the student community. I remember in the olden days, as a student, a stick that we are getting in our hand from the teachers makes us work, study more and more, and we got to learn many lessons because the teachers, they act as the parents in the school. Kani kani kajing hikai, kapamangin iyo hakipo ke bamanswa. Iyo din ni shamay hakino hikai, kapulong ini bangin hapan puli, ngin hapan minat. Kumasyong ipi paro hakini ka meeting, hakini ka function ka pamenta. Yala di kamtam bangaday ng family ka ba imay nang manpuli yung aubi daga burom i henriling ba kajihikay yung ginahikay ka ba kajing sneng ka mamati ay kala perlong ingi habang ilet siyeng ngisiyem yung kagwad banpendat di humwok banpuli minat ikikot namang itip baginahikay isim yung kajiketli kung gigmekik pa Pati kami paro ipelot pensat nagamatadong iban po school.
I'm proud when we get this award. But according to my concern, free and frank, I dare and I have the confidence to say that all the teachers are deserved to get it. Why? Because our job as the teachers is not the stage on the stage, but we are the laborer. We have to dedicate, we have to devote, we have to sacrifice ourselves to labor and molding and shaping the young ones, not only in education, but also in morality, spirituality, and physically. So, the future generation and the future society, I can say that it lies in the hands of the teachers.
The first awardee comes from East Governance District of Inamnagar, who has been given the National Award of 2022. And as you go along the list, in the state awards, our districts have sent numerous names, and most of these schools have come from our rural areas. It is a proud moment for Ri-Bhoi district also that our Umroi Presbyterian High Secondary School has been given the state award this year. It is a proud moment for all the schools as we join hands together with the ones who have received awards and the ones who have not been able to make it this year to celebrate together the dedication, a spirit of silent dedication, I would say, where all our teachers, how silently they have dedicated their lives, their efforts, putting in everything that is required to ensure that our schools, they are amongst the best. Today, we have with us a student from our district who has made it to the 8th position in the SSLC. Ranyo Kaur, she has been a bright student throughout her life, and today she stands as a star amongst her fellow students in this year's SSLC results. Nothing is impossible if our students work hard, as our teachers have shown their silent dedication and shown the spirit of hard work and tried their best to bring the values amongst our students. Today, our state stands in a very bad rank in terms of education. As you have seen in the past 1 month, the rankings that have come has shown that our state is one amongst the lowest in terms of quality education when it comes to infrastructure, when it comes to other support that is required to our schools. As policymakers, and as we go from village to visit our schools, we can really see the challenges which our schools face. The lack of proper classrooms, the lack of teaching materials, the lack of financial support, especially to our teachers, has been the most critical indicators of bringing down quality education to our district and to our state.